In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your emails at once on Gmail. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as you know, when you're deleting your emails, it's really annoying if you have to select it all one by one and go through around like 673 emails like I have in my inbox here. So what you can do on desktop is really easy. So if you want to delete them all you need to do is come up and select this little checkbox here. Once you select this little checkbox, what that will do is it will say all 50 conversations on this page are selected, but it will also give you the option to select all 726 conversations in my inbox. So if I click this, what that will do is it will select them all, and then all you need to do is click on clear selection, or you can also click on the little delete icon here. And then once you do that, as you can see, you get this pop-up here, confirm bulk action. So this action will affect all 722 conversations in inbox. Are you sure you want to continue? Once you click on OK, it will go ahead, take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes depending on how many you have in your inbox. And then as you can see, my inbox is now empty, so that's how you can go ahead and delete all of your emails at once on Gmail.